See this before and after? I built this AI photo enhancer called Lumina in about 1 hour, and I did it using a free tool called Google AI Studio, because sites like AIPhotoEnhancer.pro can make anywhere between $20,000 to $40,000 a month. And today I'll show you the exact prompt, the premium UI, and how to deploy it fast with zero code. Let me show you how it works. You can drop in any noisy image. You can enhance it with a color grade, upscale it by 2 or 4 times, and it's done. In this video, I'll show you the Gemini prompt that takes a blurred image on the left, removes the pixelization, fixes color, upscales it into the image that you see on the right. I'll show you the cinematic UI that makes the app look premium, and I'll even show you how you can ship this publicly. I'll also share how to price this and show you a quick path to your first $1,000. Think one capture vibes, but without the complexity. Photographers love natural results and fast previews. And watch until the end, where I'll share the entire Google AI Studio prompt that I use to build Lumina. So Google AI Studio is a vibe coding app, which means that you don't need to learn how to code. You can build anything you want using a series of prompts. And I've covered similar apps in the past on platforms like Lovable.dev, Replit, and Cursor. But what's great about Google AI Studio is that it's 100% free. They give you 100 credits per day, which is more than enough. And best of all, you get to use their greatest language model, which is Google Gemini Pro 2.5. And this is a prompt that makes all the magic happen. I've given it a role, which is set in context. I've given it core objectives, and these are the features that I want inside of Lumina. So clarify images, purify them, balance, illuminate, refine, elevate. I've given it an aesthetic philosophy, because if I'm going to sell this app, I want the output to be premium. If the end result doesn't look good, nobody's going to pay for it. I've given it some input variables, a process flow, a visual signature, and a brand essence. This prompt forces consistency and keeps the language model from oversaturating or giving plastic skin. And premium isn't loud, it's calm confidence. Spacing, lighting, responsive states, and trust lines. Now I could make Lumina even better by giving it a logo, standardizing the fonts, and making it look more like AIPhotoEnhancer.pro. I could add this image slider, which makes them more dynamic, and it makes the site look more premium. I can upload HD images to give it a better aesthetic on the app. But bear in mind, I only spent 1 hour prompting to build Lumina, and that's the point of this video. You don't actually need to spend that much time to build an off-the-shelf application like this. But as you can see, Lumina has all the main elements that you would expect for an AI photo enhancing app. I've also included a dynamic testimonial reel and a pricing plan at the bottom of the page. And honestly, apps like this absolutely fly at a price point of about $20 a month. And if you want to monetize an app like Lumina, there's a few ways you can go about it. The first is a curation website, or like a search engine for AI tools and services, and that's called There's an AI for That. This website gets a ton of traffic, and you can even list it for free. It has categories for personal, work, productivity, creativity, and deals. You can even pay for a spotlight or like a sponsored shout out, so they will prioritize you at the top of search results like any search engine would. And there are already a ton of AI enhancing apps on there. So you can see this one, which is in the same category, but it's a little bit different. And this is AIPhotoEnhancer.pro. Now you can absolutely do this with Google AI Studio. You just have to program it into the prompting. And the way this app works is that it takes a picture of any two couples, it brings them together using AI, and it creates this final output, which I think is pretty good. And there's lots of angles that you can sell this. And I do believe this is actually a great one. Here's another one called Couple Prompt. It does exactly the same. You just upload 2 pictures of any couple, and then it'll bring it together in like an AI composition. And honestly, you can price this as low as like $9, $10 a month, and it will get a lot of uptake. The second place to get monetized, and my favorite place to do it, is Upwork.com. So I've done a search for AI photo enhancement, and you can see the first job post was posted 18 minutes ago, and they need somebody who can photo image with editing speciality, which is everything Lumina does. You can see that they need a skilled image editing specialist, and the skills will be color correction with the ability to deliver high quality results efficiently, which you can absolutely do with a tool like this. This client spent over $200,000 on Upwork, and they're willing to spend anywhere up to $13. That's probably like an hourly rate, or it could be per image. I wouldn't worry about this too much, because once you get them on a call, you can usually negotiate a better deal. All they want to see, and once you've built the app, you can deploy it in one single step. All you do is head over to this rocket icon where it says deploy app, click on it, and you'll actually deploy this application on Google's own cloud service. You can even integrate it into payment gateways like Stripe, which is how you take payments, but more importantly, recurring monthly payments. And there you have it. That's how you build a $20,000 to $40,000 a month SaaS application like Lumina. It's not that hard. You just need a bit of creativity, and honestly, it's a lot of fun, because remember, we're not using code, we're using prompts. And best of all, Google AI Studio is completely free. And if you want the complete prompt and more ideas on how you can use AI to build a business, to build a side hustle, or just to use AI and do your existing job even better, click on the link in the description and sign up to my private community. Follow the on-screen instructions, and I'll see you on the inside. And if this video was eye-opening, do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, turn the notifications on, because I'm somebody that runs an AI agency. I do this full time, and all the videos that you see on this channel are designed to help you get the best AI tools and applications, but more importantly, how you can use them to make money. Thank you so much if you made it this far, and I'll see you when the next video drops. Take care.